Did you know a construction supervisor risked everything to expose deadly safety violations and ended up saving countless lives? Quincy Rodriguez stood proudly overlooking Qatar's massive World Cup stadium construction site in 2019. He had worked 15 years to reach supervisor level, supporting his family back in the Philippines. But then he discovered something horrifying. Critical concrete foundations were structurally unsound, safety equipment was missing, and workers were dying to meet impossible deadlines. When he reported it, his bosses threatened his visa status and warned him about whistleblowers who had simply disappeared. His family depended on his income completely. But Quincy couldn't watch people die in silence. He secretly documented every violation and contacted international labor organizations. Within days, he was fired and his visa was revoked. Separated from his family for 8 months, he wondered if he had made the right choice. Then the investigation confirmed everything. Major safety reforms were implemented, he received asylum, and became a sought-after international safety consultant. His courage saved lives and built his legacy.